So this will be Sprint 1 for engine class. I wanted to show you that my changes have been made. I just changed it to this camera view because I didn't know what it was, but I can change that back to this. And I'll show you the code while we wait. So as you said, nothing really changed. Everything works. Nothing really changed. The only thing I really did was I have the resource managers on the right. I'll show you just the model manager because they're all just essentially copy-pasted. They all use a map for now. I'll probably change that in the future, if not today. And the map just has a string for the name and the model and then shader and whatever else. And then the default path for all of them, which is done. That's the wrong link. Default path is done. Assets, models, shaders, and textures. I don't know what these four are, so I'm just leaving these out for now. I don't know what an FBX, a PDN, or an FBX is. So I'm just leaving those out for now. I also I named my thing Freefall, engine, files, and project management. They're separated already in this. I don't know how much more separation I need to do. I was able to make the class a singleton, and that essentially all I have is a single start game, which was done in the main.cpp, I think. Yeah, just to start the game, and then the start game goes through all the stuff that was essentially in that code. I start the instance, which initializes the game, makes sure it works, and then runs it, and so forth. Here's a load of the resources that we used for that game. Every manager has a terminate function in it, and that'll be done at the end of the content, and that cleans up all the problems. Since I made it a singleton, everything is, well, I guess it wouldn't matter, but they're all private variables that are used instead of the public ones you had before. This is simply just a branch that lets me turn on and off, what you saw earlier. And that is about it. I don't think there's anything else you wanted me to do. I didn't do the camera manager because I'm not sure I understand what you want us to do for the camera manager, so I'll probably just ask that tomorrow and then do the rest that day. And yeah, that should be it.